Hello, today we will guide you through how to import your AI memory into Claude. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to bring memory information from another AI provider into Claude so your experience can feel more personalized and consistent. The process is fairly quick, and once you know where to look, it's very straightforward. To begin, open Claude in your browser and go to the main new chat page. This is the starting point where you can access your account options and settings. Once you're in Claude, look to the bottom left area of the screen and click on your profile. This opens the account menu where you'll find the controls related to your workspace and preferences. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where Claude organizes the features and configuration options for your account, including the tools related to memory and connected capabilities. Inside Settings, select Capabilities. This section contains optional features and advanced actions, so if you don't immediately recognize the page layout, just focus on finding the Capabilities tab or menu item. When you're in Capabilities, locate the option for importing memory from another AI provider. After you find it, click Start Import. This will open the import flow and prepare Claude to receive the information you want to bring over. Next, click Copy. This copies the import prompt or instructions provided by Claude. You'll use this in the other AI provider so it can generate the memory data in a format Claude can accept. Make sure the full text is copied before moving on. Now switch over to your other AI provider and paste in what you copied. After that, let it generate the result, then copy that result. As you do this, take a moment to confirm you're copying the complete response, since incomplete content may cause issues when importing. Once that's done, return to Claude. Paste the copied result into the import area, then click Add to Memory. This final step submits the content so Claude can store and use that information as part of your memory setup. If the import box stays open for a moment, that's normal. Give Claude a few seconds to process the content. After the memory is added, you're all set. That's how to import your AI memory into Claude. If you're doing this for the first time, it can help to move slowly and double-check each copy and paste step to avoid missing anything. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the process clear and easy to complete.